This is a short video that will walk you through experiment number 7, gas laws. First thing you want to do is obviously either have your printed copy from your lab manual or go online and go under assignments and click on experiment number 7, gas laws. And then you're going to want to follow the instructions within the document. The first thing it asks you to do is it asks you to Google PHET gas laws HTML5. And then it tells you to click on the gas properties ideal gas law, asks you to click on the play button, tells you to pick the ideal option, and then it really goes through and it provides you with all the instructions with diagrams on exactly what you should be doing. Make sure as you are working that you are answering all of the questions throughout the experiment. So there's lots and lots of questions here to be answered. And follow the instructions as you go. For part 2, very similar, it asks you to hit reset. It tells you to select a variety of things, and then it tells you what to do. You're going to fill out this data table, so you'll be changing the temperature throughout the experiment. Again, do not forget to answer this question here as you fill out the data table. Part 3, hit reset. Okay, follow the instructions again, complete the data table, answer the provided questions. Part 4, same thing, hit reset, follow the instructions here. Again, fill out the data table, answer the required questions. When you are done with that, do not close the simulation. You do have to kind of go further here, and it asks you to actually continue to work with the simulation and make the lid pop off a different way, summarize the relationship between the various variables, and then it asks you to design an experiment. Okay, so what relationship data does it show, create a data table, so on and so forth. And then finally, there are some post-lab questions. Most of these are math-based, so you'll need all of your gas laws and your notes from that particular PowerPoint on states that matter. Make sure you show all work for all of the mathematical problems. Don't forget your sig figs and units. And of course, because it is gas laws, you want to make sure you convert all of your temperatures to Celsius. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Google link. So I've already typed in PHET gas laws HTML5. You want to click here. You're going to open it. Give it a minute. Click ideal. Okay, and then from there you're going to follow the instructions on what it says. A lot of them ask you to type these 3 things in. They have you change the different variables sometimes. You add in particles, so on and so forth. Tells you when to pump, etc. Tells you to change the temperature or to change the size of the container. All that good stuff. Here's the reset button. Okay, and so you really just have to follow the instructions with pictures, of course.